Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quicken Classic Premier. First, understand that Quicken Premier is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your financial life. It helps you track all your accounts, from banking to investments, in one place. You can monitor your spending, create budgets, and set financial goals to stay on track. This powerful tool provides the insights you need to make informed financial decisions and manage your money with confidence. Getting started with Quicken Premier involves setting up your financial accounts. You'll link your checking, savings, credit cards, and investment accounts directly to the software. This allows Quicken to automatically download your transactions. It's crucial to categorize these transactions correctly, as this forms the foundation for your budgets and reports. Regularly reconciling your accounts ensures all your data is accurate and up to date. Once your accounts are set up, Quicken Premier empowers you to create and manage a robust budget. You can define spending limits for various categories, like groceries or entertainment, and track your progress throughout the month. The software also provides tools to monitor your investments, showing you how your portfolio is performing. Regular review of these features helps you stay within your financial plan. Quicken Premier offers several advanced features to further enhance your financial management. You can use its tax planning tools to estimate your tax liability and prepare for filing. The investment analysis features help you evaluate your portfolio and make informed decisions. Additionally, setting up bill reminders ensures you never miss a payment, helping you avoid unnecessary fees and maintain a healthy credit score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.